Hey, Boss Babe Squad. My name is Francesca Jeanette, and I'm so glad to have you here on my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. And thank you so much for supporting me. So many of you have already subscribed to my channel just to support and get all of the slayage that I have coming to you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Share with your friends, share with your family. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you for joining us so that you can be notified of all the slayage and tips and beauty advice that I have coming your way. I am getting more back into doing more videos for my channel, so I'm super excited to share that with you all. Make sure that you also click the bell. Don't forget to click the bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to actually get notified of a new video on my channel, and you won't miss any of this good slayage. Like, come on now. So let's get into it. So the wig that I have coming to you today is actually a wig that I purchased before. This is actually just my first time doing a YouTube video for it. So I have an event tonight, a gala for my husband's fraternity, and I'm excited to wear it tonight. And her name is Miss Ina. This is a unit by Sensationnel, and I ordered it from beautyofnewyork.com. I will post details below of the site, of the actual unit that I received, and all the specs and the good stuff that she comes with. So if I forget to mention something, excuse me. I may just be nervous or just rambling. Please comment if you'd like to see more content like this, wigs, makeup, hair, whatever, from my channel, so I can know what you guys are looking for and I know what I can provide to you all. Again, this is Sensationnel, and this is the Instant Fashion Wig Couture Style Ina, and I got her in the 1B. I'm in this 1B phase right now. Usually I like the blondes, the reds, the chocolates, but for some reason I'm into the 1Bs, and it does match my hair complexion, so I'm excited to wear her. This is 100% premium fiber, so let's take it out the pack and see what's going on. So here's the stock card for you guys. It is safe up to 350 degrees. I wouldn't push it to 400 or your girl might melt. And you definitely don't want those little stringy melted stank pieces up on top of your head. That's happened to me before. And it wasn't cute. And these are actually all of the colors that she comes in. So you can see that. So you got your blondes, your chocolates, your coppers. She even has pink up in here, silver, your wine, your burgundy. Looks like 613, which is kind of your bleach base. All of that is in there, so take your pick. She comes with a side part as well. So let's go ahead and unpack her. Okay, so this is she, straight out the pack. And it does look like she comes with about a 2-inch lace section here, which I'm going to cut off anyway. And she doesn't come with combs, you guys. I'm so sorry. She does not come with combs. However, she does come with adjustable straps. So I put my wig grip on since this unit does not have combs, because I don't need this falling off at all. I probably will secure it with some bobby pins on the side as well. She does not come with baby hairs, which is fine because it's going to be covering my face in kind of a swoop motion. It is a side part, and it does look like I may have to put a little bit of work into this one, plucking some hairs, adding some concealer and some foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and try her on real quick just so you can see what she looks like out of the pack. Okay, you guys, so it is getting dark in the day, so I'm going to have to go over this real quick. So I did put my wig grip on because there were no combs. So with there being very little leave out and no lace on the sides, the hair is pretty much covering my face. So all I have to really do is kind of slay my edges. So we're going to use our Edge Booster by Style Factor to lay our edges down. I've already plucked the actual part and put some Pro Concealer on as the base and Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 355 Coconut on top of the base, just to make the part a little bit more realistic. So let's go ahead and slay these edges. Okay, you guys, so I had very minimal shedding for this unit. If anything shed, it's because of the plucking that I did for the part. So all you do from here is just swoop your bang however you see fit with a paddle brush or a comb, and make sure you do it gently because you don't want the curls to really fall too soon. So you could either leave a portion of that out, like a little side bang, like so, or you could just have everything falling over your ear. I think I prefer it to kind of be behind my ear and then hanging over my ear. My baby hairs is popping. All right, you guys, so just brush, brush, brush. I don't really see a need to put any mousse on this unit. There are no flyaways, so I think we're good to go. Okay, so that's it, you guys. This is Ina by Sensational. Again, I purchased from beautyofnewyork.com. Make sure you take a peep at their website and see all of the amazing wigs they had. Super, super fast shipping. And Sensational, y'all did the thing with this. Like, this is my second time wearing this, but it's even prettier the second time. Like, I can't with these curls. This is just amazing. I'm about to slay my event. So thank you you guys for watching. I love you all so dearly. Continue to subscribe, like, share my content with your friends and family. Let's get these numbers up, you guys. Like, I love you all so much, and I want to meet more and more and more of you. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can see what next video I post. You never know what it's gonna be. So you all have a great one, and I will see y'all later. Love you.